My name is Stacey Brook, and I'm the founder and chief advisor at College Essay Advisors. And today I'm going to talk to you about the Common Applications prompt number 5. Prompt number 5 reads, discuss an accomplishment, event, or realization that sparked a period of personal growth and a new understanding of yourself or others. Admissions asking you to talk about how you've grown, transformed, changed makes a lot of sense. One could imagine that after having an understanding of the transformations you've made in your life thus far, that admissions could get a sense of how you're going to learn and grow on campus. As with so many of the other prompts, you have a ton of options to explore here. Once you start to unpack this, you can explore an accomplishment, an event, or a realization, and a realization is likely going to overlap with an event or an accomplishment. So these terms can sort of be interchanged and also cracked open to explore all of the options within. Keep in mind that accomplishment and event can be defined very broadly. So what you tackle in this essay can be anything from a more formal occasion to even the smallest occurrence. A formal event or accomplishment might include anything from a birthday or a wedding to receiving a promotion or winning an award. More informal examples might include things like taking a car ride with someone you love, or even eating a really special meal. We have often found that some of the smaller ideas often make for really interesting, unexpected essays, but as with any other subject matter, as long as you can tackle the topic from a very personal angle with a lot of specificity and heart, any examples you want to use, any accomplishments, big or small, are fair game. Did you step out of your comfort zone to perform in your school talent show and ultimately find you had a passion for performance? Have you learned to love your playback sessions with your football team, which have taught you to accept constructive criticism and also taught you just how to be a better football player? Did your role as the US president in a mock government exercise bring out leadership skills you never before knew you had? Some questions you might want to consider when approaching prompt number 5. How do you react to periods of transition? And what ultimately inspires a change in your perspective? When have you had a eureka moment? And how has it impacted the way you live your life thereafter? Were there moments in your life that fundamentally changed you as a person? When have you done something that made you feel more adult, more capable, more grown up? The most important thing to keep in mind with prompt number 5 is that search for an element of growth, of change, of transformation. The event, accomplishment, or realization you choose should help reveal to admissions how you ultimately ended up growing to see the world through a new lens. And as with all of the other prompts, you just need to make sure to answer all parts of the question. Hopefully, this helps you understand what admissions is looking for from prompt number 5. We have additional tips and tricks for prompts number 6 and 7 coming your way very soon. Don't forget to check out our other videos on the Common Application, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel. We are going to be uploading many more videos for the 2018-19 application season, so check back for regular editions. Also, if you want more information about College Essay Advisors one-on-one advising services, feel free to check us out, collegeessayadvisors.com. We also have an online course where you can get essay help right now. Again, check out collegeessayadvisors.com. Follow us on social media, but don't forget, come back here to find more videos for tips and tricks to help you with your admissions essays.